Hello everyone, I am going to show you how to remove the throttle body from a Grand Prix. Okay, the very first thing you want to do is disconnect the battery, and for that actually to do this job you're going to need what I'm using now. You're going to need a wrench, a 10mm socket extension, and you're also going to need a screwdriver, plain one. Okay, the reason why we disconnect battery is because, to not harm yourself or anything like that. The next thing you want to do is take out the air filter big thing there is in there. I don't know what it's called, but you gotta take that one out. And once you take that one out, the next step is to take out the sensors, disconnect all the sensors that go on the throttle body, which are the master flow, the IAC, and I don't know which other one, what the other one is called, but disconnect those ones. The next thing, after you disconnect all the sensors, actually get the two bolts on the side for the accelerator, and for that you're going to need the 10mm socket. Then take out the nuts that go on the throttle body, which I'm showing you right now, with the same socket, the 10mm socket. That's pretty much the basic standard for everything on the throttle body. It's the 10mm socket. Get the screw on the top, the nut on the top, and then get the two nuts on the bottom. They are really hard to get, but you'll just try to find them with your hands and you'll be able to get them.
Ace.
Okay, now that you have the nuts out of the throttle body, use a screwdriver like I'm using it right now and put it in the middle between the throttle body and the black piece that goes on the back of it, and then just pull hard, and there's a bar on the bottom of the right where one of the nuts are on the bottom. Try to move that bar. It's a little small straight bar, and just keep moving it till you get enough space to take out the throttle body. Once you get the throttle body out of the place, get the cables that you see for the accelerator and the cruise control, and just pull it, and you'll find a way to take it out. It's not hard. Take out the cruise control as well using the screwdriver, and then just pull it hard, and yeah. There it is.
Russia, put your hands up in the air.
Now that we have the throttle body taken off, the next thing you want to do is take out all the sensors, and for that you're going to need a special tool, which is a little small thingy. Don't know what it's called either. I'm not a professional mechanic or anything like that. I just know how to work on my car. But just take out the sensors and then start cleaning your throttle body, or if you bought one already cleaned up, or you've taken it to a service shop or anything like that, just make sure it's clean, and just try not to get any dust or any paper stuff in there. Try to keep it clean and make sure it just doesn't get dirty at all. Once you have the throttle body cleaned up, or you got a new one or anything like that, put all the sensors back on it, and then start putting everything back onto its place. You just do it the way you did it, just going backwards, start by the accelerator, or any way you want it. That's the easiest way to do it. But yeah, just keep moving that little bar and place all the nuts and bolts in place. And yeah, after you're done, just crank the change the gas filter, and change the air filter, change the spark plugs, and you should be ready to go on that. That's pretty much it. And reconnect the battery, get the engine to start, and test the vehicle for I don't know, I'd say a couple of days. And yeah, just make sure it works well, because if it doesn't, then maybe the throttle body came out wrong. There's something bad with the throttle body, or maybe there's something wrong with your car that it has nothing to do with the throttle body, or maybe it's one of the sensors that it has in there. But yeah, okay, well, thanks for watching.